Hi there, and today's idiom is a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This idiom means that it's better to have a small advantage than the possibility of bigger or greater one. For instance, I'm not going to risk leaving my current job for the chance of a better one, because I'm not sure if the new job will be any better. So a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. A little bird told me. When I say that a little bird told me, that means I've got some information, but I don't want to tell you where I heard it from. So a little bird told me that she's planning a surprise party for you. To let the cat out of the bag. When you let the cat out of the bag means you reveal a secret. For example, "Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't supposed to tell you about the surprise party. I let the cat out of the bag." A fly in the ointment. Fly in the ointment. A fly in the ointment means that something is spoiling the enjoyment or indulgence. For instance, we went to the picnic and it started to rain, so the rain was the fly in the ointment during our picnic. To feel like a fish out of water. When you say that you feel like a fish out of water, means that you don't feel comfortable. For instance, he has never been to a party like this before, so he feels like a fish out of water. He feels uncomfortable. A fish floats from the hat down. This idiom means that the situation goes bad from the top. For instance, the company's poor performance is a clear sign that a fish floats from the head down. That means that the reason of poor or bad performance of the company is its management. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. That means don't assume that something will happen before it actually happens. For instance, you might get this job, but don't count your chickens before they hatch. Probably have just had the interview and you're so excited, you already imagine your life having this job, but don't do that before you actually get the job. So don't count your chickens before they hatch. One very easy but interesting idiom. Busy as a bee. To be busy as a bee means to be very busy. For instance, she has been busy as a bee preparing for her presentation.